Hello everybody, this is Sue Ellen Hale with The Growing Hale, and happy Valentine's Day. Today is Valentine's Day and I'm talking to y'all because my husband is at work. So I thought I would take this time while I'm at home to show y'all some new things that I got in. First, I'm going to show you the Happiness Hormone Spray. This is a magnesium spray. We have this in a travel size 1 ounce if you want to try it out, and this is 4 ounce, and we also have it in a stick, which is the beeswax coconut oil stick. And I've been using this. I don't really know if I have a reason why I'm using it at this point. But I like the smell, and I'm 52, so I have been experiencing hormone changes, and I just got this week, so I don't know if my use of this has made a difference in having hot flashes and things like that yet. So I'm going to keep using it, and I'll give y'all an update after I have used it for longer. So that's the Happiness Spray. I'm just spraying it on my chest right now, and one day I sprayed it on my abdomen. And before I came in here, I washed my face with the HydraGlow Cleanser. If I could talk, hang on just a sec. I stopped and looked to see if I had a HydraLicious cleanser because I was going to hold them side by side, but I couldn't find one, so I guess I don't have one right now. The HydraGlow Cleanser and the HydraLicious Cleanser is actually the same product. Just this one is packaged to go along with the HydraGlow, the HydraGlow line. So I just washed my face with this. It feels really good, nice and clean. And I have used, since I started with Jordan Essentials, I've used the HydraLicious, which is the same thing as this. And I really liked it. It's my go-to everyday cleanser. In the shower, I use the charcoal bar, and I have worked through my sample of the HydraGlow Advanced Eye Serum, and so I'm going to show y'all that real quick. Since I just washed my face, I'm going to do the eye serum, and it's in a little pump container, and you just do, I did a full pump, and that's going to be way too much, I think. I can't put it back in, I don't think. So, you're supposed to not use your dominant finger, but use your third or fourth finger. And I put it all around my eyes. This is way more than I usually use. So there's a tip. Don't do a full pump. I've been working out of a sample container, so I just dab my finger in, and I like to do it on my upper lids and all around. This has the olive squalane. I don't know. I can't read what else it's got in it. The tiny print is very tiny. So usually if I have a little bit left on my finger, that's a lot left on my finger. So I'm going to see if I can put it back in the bottle, actually. Oh, I can. The lid unscrews off, so I'm going to put that back, my extra back in the bottle. Usually if I have a little bit extra on my fingers after I put it on my eyes, I'll just go around my mouth, because the olive squalane, however you say that, is good for fine lines and wrinkles. Do you see fine lines and wrinkles? I think I'm doing pretty good. Okay, so this is the eye serum. I also have and use the HydraGlow Bakuchiol Moisturizer Natural Retinol Anti-Aging Formula. And this has frankincense in it also. And this I have been using on my neck because my neck was getting real crepey all of a sudden. It was crazy. And I did not like that. But look at my neck now. I have not even used this today. But the crepey that was there is not really there. This is a very thick moisturizer, so I'm not going to put it on right now because my face tends to be a little more oily. So I'm not going to use that right now. And then we have a new product that just came out. I haven't even tried this yet. It looks a lot like the eye serum. Same little bottle. It is HydraLift Neck Firming Serum with Magnesium, Bakuchiol, and peptides. So, let me see. It's a little bit larger font, but it's skinny, so I can't tell if it's got any essential oils in it or not. Too tiny. But I'm going to go ahead and try some of this on my neck. And some of the ladies, let's see how much comes out. I haven't used it yet, so there we go. Oh, it's a thinner, it's a little bit runnier than the eye serum is. So I'm going to rub it together. It just smells unscented. Like, you know how unscented products smell unscented. Put that on my neck. And I'm going to go around back also. Don't want the back of the neck wrinkles, especially if I'm going to take pictures of my hair clip and on the back of my head. I don't want back of the neck wrinkles, do I? All right, so my first use of the HydraLift Neck Firming Serum, brand new product, just came out in our new catalog. If you have not seen the new catalog, I can send you a link. And or if you want a paper catalog, I do have some paper catalogs, beautiful new catalogs. It's actually easier for me to see the camera without my glasses on. But so HydraGlow, I think my skin, I don't have any makeup on or anything. I think my skin is looking pretty good. And this is what I've been using. Cleansing with this. I've been using the Bakuchiol moisturizer at night, specifically on my neck. And I use I don't remember what it's called. We have a moisturizer that's a little bit not quite as thick as this that I've been using on my face for the daytime. I just used the neck serum for the first time, and I have been using the eye serum. So I think these are, oh, there is also a cleansing balm if you prefer a cleansing balm over the this cleanser. The cleansing balm is a thicker, kind of like coconut oil that you rub on your face. If I understand correctly, people who wear more makeup, the cleansing balm is great for helping, it just kind of melts your makeup off if you wear more makeup. I don't wear that much makeup, so I still like this cleanser. It's a personal preference which cleanser you use, but these are the ones that I have been using, and I feel like I'm having good results with it. Do I look 52? Right, so there's that. Oh, I missed a piece. Hang on. I can't believe I almost forgot. Sorry, my son keeps talking to me. I can't believe I almost forgot. There is another HydraGlow piece that is in this month's Joyful Jordan box. So in this month's box, you get some Copacom Dead Sea Salts and the Essential Oil Magnesium Roller Ball. These are amazing, but I didn't order the toner from the line because it's in the box this month. So my box is here, and you're supposed to do toner after cleansing. So that's why I washed my face a while ago, so I could come in here and use the toner. So I have not used this before. I feel like it may take a couple of pumps before it comes out. So let's see how it goes. Oh, yeah. I was too far away from my face at first. It's a very fine mist, and I've been told you should pat the toner in a little bit. It's getting a little bit longer than I intended for it to be. This, the HydraGlow toner has the Phyto Essential Blend, which is like what's in our Skin Relief Shea Butter. It's also got Magnesium and Bakuchiol in this also. Okay, so you cleanse, then you tone, then you're supposed to go light to heavy on skincare. So then you would do the serums, eye serum, neck serum. I don't think I can hold another thing. Let's see. And then the heavier moisturizer. I did it. So this is our HydraGlow line. This is all of the pieces of the HydraGlow line. And let me know if you have questions, or if you need to get some, now is a great time to get some. Because I'm trying to meet a sales goal, quite honestly. And I would love to have your orders in before Sunday night. So y'all have a happy Valentine's Day. I'm sorry this went so long. And let me know if you would like to try any of the skincare in the HydraGlow line. I would be happy to help you with that. Thanks. Bye.